How's it going, everybody? Mark here. So if you go into Walmart, go to the flashlight section or the headlamp section, it's usually over in the camping / sporting goods area, you will find this guy right here. This is a expendable solar lantern. So if you see right here, it shows that you can power your phone from this device as well. It's not very big, but however, you can pull it out and you have a lantern right here, and it has low, high, and then a blinker. And push that in. Right here, you have the charger point. So if you want to charge it from the outlet and not the sun, or right here, your USB, you can charge your phone, headphones, whatever device you may have during your backpacking trip. However, if you are thinking about buying this thing is only $10 at Walmart. I would suggest you not. I would highly suggest you steer clear of this guy right here. I had this thing fully charged and I plugged my phone in, and after 20 minutes the entire lantern was dead and my phone only charged 2%. It's most likely not gonna have enough juice to even turn your phone back on if your phone is already dead. So this guy also comes in a little over 4 ounces. To be honest, it is not worth the money. It only has 125 lumens, which, to be honest, the actual lantern itself, it's not that bad. But there are way better options out there opposed to this. Not to mention, this thing is bulky, which you can also pick up at Walmart. That's just a few dollars more and a lot more effective, is one of these Lucy lanterns. See how big the solar panel is? This will actually inflate, so all you do is blow this up, or you can use this as a light itself, and it's a lot brighter than that guy right there. Or you can pick up the Lucy lantern, which weighs about the same. It inflates, it's more compact, the solar is bigger, and it charges a lot faster. To me, this is a better option if you're just looking for a solar lantern. Or you can go on REI or on Amazon and pick up one of these Origami lanterns. This is a solar lantern right here, and this works very well. Also has the red alert in a survival situation, and this is very bright. I've used this for a couple years now, and this is a pretty effective little lantern. But if you're dead set on getting a solar charger for your phone and other devices, I would just go with a straight battery bank. But I know how some people are like, no, I want solar, I want solar. I get into a mood where I really want something, whether people are negative about it or not. I want to purchase and use the gear that I want to use, and that's what backpacking is all about. So if you are dead set on getting a solar charger for your phone and you want something that's powerful enough, go on Amazon and you can search and get a third-party solar power bank right here. You can see right there, it'll actually tell you how much percentage you have left. Also, this guy right here, when the sun hits that, this light will light up and it will show that it is charging. So before you go out backpacking, plug this up to the wall and make sure that it is fully charged, and then use it as you need it. However, on our last backpacking trip on the Tecumseh, we did 3 days. My wife used this and it never died on her. So every morning before we packed up, we sat this in the sun. Every time we took a break, we put this in the sun just to give it a little bit more juice, just in case we really needed it. Also, on this third party, it comes with 3 USB ports, so you charge your headphones, your phone, or if you have a third device, whatever you need to charge. Also on this little guy, if you hold the power button down for 3 to 5 seconds, you have a light right there. Hello. You have a light on this guy here. So if you're really looking for a solar powered type lantern that's going to charge your phone, just go ahead, spend the extra money and get a battery bank just like this with a light on the back. But again, the main purpose of the video is to steer clear of the Ozark Trail solar lantern. This is not powerful enough to get you by. I would not trust this, and to be honest, I would not trust this to take on a backpacking trip. And I usually keep gear just in case, even if it's mediocre. Maybe a friend wants to go out with me, or if a group wants to go backpacking, I have enough gear for everybody if they do not have something. However, this is actually going back to the store because I will not use it, and it'll just collect dust until I eventually throw it away. I usually do not return things, but this thing is not good enough. With that being said, it is going back to the store. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, see you guys in the next one.